Good morning, guys. Welcome to your class. Today we have a 10-minute short morning yoga practice. We'll begin in hands and knees. Come on down onto your palms and onto your knees. Stacking your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips with the hip width distance apart. And open your fingers nice and wide. And we're gonna start with several cats and cows to warm up our spine. So take a deep breath in, start to drop the belly, open your heart, and lift your gaze. And then exhale to tuck your tailbone down, chin to chest, run through the spine. And take these cats and cows several more times at your own pace and rhythm. Take deep breath in, drop the belly, lift your gaze. And exhale, tuck your tailbone down, chin to chest. Keep moving and keep breathing and keep feeling your body, your breath. And one last one. Beautiful. Come back to center. Go ahead, tuck your toes under and start to lift your hips up and back to your first downward facing dog. Relax your neck and head between your upper arms. And then start to pedal out through your feet by bending one knee and the other and slowly awakening the backs of your legs. And keep breathing nice and easy and keep pressing your hands down and forward while you are moving. And then come back to your neutral downward facing dog. And then from here, inhale, lift your right leg up towards the sky. And then exhale out. And feel free to stay here. Or option to bend your right knee and start to open that hip. But make sure your shoulders are still square. And then start to bring your right foot forward between your hands. And turn your left foot out at about 45-degree angle. Press your right foot down to rise up to your warrior one. Arms up overhead. Relax your shoulders. Deep breath into the fingertips. Exhale to open your body to the left to your warrior two. Your back foot is parallel to the back of your mat. And now inhale to your reverse warrior, right arm up and over your right ear, left hand onto your back leg. Exhale to your side angle, right forearm onto your right thigh and left arm up and over your left ear. And inhale, straighten your right knee out to your reverse triangle pose. Exhale, find your Trikonasana triangle pose. Right hand onto your right shin or ankle or all the way down and start to lift your left arm up. And then try to open your heart to the left just a little bit more, but make sure your both sides of the waist are lengthening. Feel free to find your bind with your left arm. And now bring your gaze back down to the earth and place your fingertips all the way down and walk your fingertips to the left, to the longer side of your mat, and make sure your feet are parallel to each other, fingertips underneath your shoulders. Deep breath in. Exhale to fold over. Inhale back to flat back, arms straight. Exhale to fold over. And last one. Inhale back to flat back. Exhale, fold over. Inhale to flat back. And then start to walk your fingertips to the back of your mat. And then find your runner's lunge. Left knee bent. Plant your right palm down and left arm towards the sky to your easy twist. And feel free to find some circles with your left arm. Inhale up. Exhale, back and down. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, left hand all the way down. Step your left foot back to your downward facing dog. Relax your neck and head. Inhale to lift your left leg up. And exhale, bend the knee, open the hip if you want. Press your hands down, shoulders are still square. One more deep breath in. As you exhale, bring the foot forward between your hands. Turn your right foot out at about 45-degree angle. Press down to your left foot to rise up to your warrior one. Arms up overhead. Relax your shoulders and relax your gaze. Inhale to the fingertips. Exhale, open your body to your right, finding your warrior two. Take your arms out, press your feet down, and right foot is parallel to the back of your mat. And inhale, flip your left palm up to your reverse warrior. Right hand onto your back leg, left arm up and over your left ear. As you exhale, to your side angle, left forearm onto your left leg and right arm up and over your right ear. Pull your navel in, press your feet down evenly to the earth. And now inhale, straighten your left knee out to your reverse triangle, left arm up and over your left ear. Exhale, find your triangle. So your left hand onto that shin or ankle or all the way down. Start to lift your right arm up, opening your heart to your right. And breathe in here. Imagine your thighs are pulling into the midline. Relax your gaze. Bring your gaze back down, right fingertips all the way down, and go ahead and walk your fingertips to the right, facing the longer side of your mat. Your feet parallel to each other. Inhale. As you exhale, fold over to the earth. Option to grab your ankles from behind, and then start to rock your hips from side to side several times, feeling the backs of your legs. And then come back to center. Plant both fingertips down and walk your fingertips to the front of your mat, finding runner's lunge. Start to lift your right arm up to your easy twist. Feel free to find circles with your right arm. Inhale up, exhale back and down. Inhale forward and up. Exhale, right hand comes down to the earth and step your right foot back to downward facing dog. Stay there for one full breath. Inhale. And then exhale out. And bend your knees and look forward. You can hop or walk to the front of your mat. Inhale, flat back. Hands can be onto your thighs, shins, or all the way down. Exhale, fold over to the earth. Feel free to bend your knees as much as you need. And then inhale, press your feet down to rise up, arms up overhead. Exhale, hands at your heart center. Deep breath in to reach your arms up overhead. As you bring your left knee up, exhale, bend your right knee, cross your left ankle over your right thigh. Sink your hips down. Flex your left toes, hands at your heart center. Inhale. And then exhale out. Sink your hips down even deeper if you can or want. Inhale, straighten your right knee out, uncross your left leg, and go ahead and grab your left foot from behind. Tuck your tailbone down, pull that heel closer to your glute, and then release that foot down to the earth. Inhale, arms up overhead, right knee up. Exhale, bend your left knee as you cross your right ankle over your left thigh, hands at your heart center. Pull your navel in, relax your gaze. Inhale. As you exhale, maybe sink your hips down even deeper. And inhale, straighten your left knee out, uncross your right leg, and grab your right foot from behind. Pull your heel closer to your glute as you tuck your tailbone down, pointing to the earth. And then slowly release that foot down to the earth and both hands at your heart center. And now go ahead and release your arms down. Take a deep breath in, start to lift your shoulders up. And then exhale, roll them back down to the earth and find these circles a couple of more times at your own pace and your own rhythm. Beautiful. Back to center and find your feet a little bit wider than hip distance. And then start to sway your arms from side to side several times. And then come back to center and interlace your fingers in front of your chest and turn your palms facing forward and lift your arms up. And then start to bend your elbows, draw your elbows out. And then release your hands at your heart center to your prayer pose. And find a comfortable distance between your 2 feet. And close your eyes. And stay here for a couple of more moments to feel the earth beneath you. That grounding and beautiful sense of calm is always there for you. And also the uplifting energy from the sky towards you. And I hope this class was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.